What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today I'm going to show you what I learned about minimalist wallets and wallets in general for men. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so I did something for you guys and for myself too. I set out to find the best wallet that just practically works. One of these won. Some of you guys may already know which one won, and some of you can guess right now, but I will tell you that I've used all of these, and I've used everything from a Trayvax to a Ridge to a Dango, and I've got a couple other wallets that I got, that just have different designs than the usual ones. I've got this one from Smart, and you're gonna be surprised which one actually won out, the old traditional wallet, right? The one that's too big, the one that doesn't fit in your back pocket, very good. I've got that here, and I'm gonna compare that against some of these other ones. So if this is your first time to Urban J Reviews, you guys can subscribe and check out some of my other reviews, but let's get started. Oh, okay, so before I do get into it, I wanna share with you guys some of my reviews of credit cards. Now I've went out and tried to find the best credit card for personal use and business use. And I do have a link to some of my American Express cards. This gold one here is my favorite that I've used so far out of all of them. I have a link, it's a referral link in the description below. And I also have another one for a free, this one has no annual fee, it's just the rewards are not 4 times like this one. But having both is actually a pretty good thing, so I'll put links to those below, and the Chase Sapphire, which is my favorite personal one. So let's talk about the wallets though. All right, so when it comes to the Trayvax, this thing is pretty cool, and it's definitely different. It looks cool. It's fun for people who are like, as we used to call them in the Navy, parachute riggers, people who do cords and stuff. This is my least favorite one. Some people absolutely love it. They stand by it. This one, I would say, no. I just never really liked it. That's why I'm not even putting cards in there. So I moved on beyond that. Now the Smart one, it was very minimalist, but the thing I didn't like about it, it was too small. Not enough cards could fit in there. And in this day and age, I need my debit card, my driver's license, I need maybe my veteran's ID. I need all these different cards. Smart just doesn't stack up. This wallet right here is probably the best for carrying cash. So if you're in a situation where you need to carry cash, this is probably the best, and it does carry a couple cards. So it's small, it's a nice billfold. This one you could get it at any place, Ross. I mean, I got this one, I think in Asia somewhere, but this is just a regular old, what is it? No-namer, but it works. It's a nice billfold. I'll put some links to some of these below. Now we're getting into the ones that I started to actually like. So I got this Ridge here. And the Ridge is cool because it has this right here where you could pop out the card. Like here's the generic version of the Ridge. Same kind of deal. The Ridge and the generic version, I would say there's no real difference in terms of functionality except you're paying for a name brand. Maybe the Ridge is a little bit smaller, but this one for $30, you could get it. It's not gonna really make too much of a difference in terms of durability. I mean, I guess the money clip is a little bit nice. Here's the carbon fiber version of this one, which is basically also the Ridge, just a little bit different design. Now we're getting into some of my favorite ones in general, right? So when it comes to the Dango, this was my first one that I really liked, and I was like, I like this one, but it just needs another extra dimension added onto it. And so I was like, where can I get that added dimension? So this Dango is pretty good, but it's also expensive, but it works. And Dango is probably the best name brand if you were to compare Ridge and Dango. I like Dango over Ridge, especially over Trayvax, obviously. Now, the old traditional wallet is good if you've got a lot of cards. You need, you've got IDs, you've got credit cards, you've got business debit cards. And unfortunately, Apple Wallet just doesn't hold your IDs and all that stuff. So the old traditional wallet still works. Gotta have your old American Express card in there. And then here's my favorite, this little guy right here. And you can see it does everything I need it to. It's got my IDs and anything else I need to put in there. It's got all my cards. It can hold so many cards. It holds way more cards than anything else. It's got a front pocket and it's still small. You see, and it has enough, so it's got the Dango functionality just with a little, you know, extra layer added on, and it's not quite the price. I can't remember where I got this, but I will put in the description where I got, I'll put a link exactly to where I got this sucker. It's a no name, no brand, and I went through all of these brand name ones and everything to try to find out the best wallet, and this one right here wins out. It's got the Dango kind of deal here, but with the folding flap that comes up. And that was what I needed for my IDs and for my Costco card. So there you have it. Hope this video helps some of you guys out there. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite wallet. Maybe I missed the best wallets. I mean, I went through so many wallets, as you could see, trying to find the best wallet for like just everything that was small enough, that didn't take up too much pocket space, but also carried my cards and all that and money. And that's why that one won. I'll try to get a link to the number one in there. And don't forget to check the links for the credit cards that I recommend. Alrighty, everybody. So that's my review on these minimalist men's wallets. Hope this helps. Crush up the likes on the video. If it helped, check the links in the description, and we'll see you on the next one.